Hello everyone, I am Rashmi, and as you must be knowing that today is the third week of our English class. So today I'm gonna teach you a few idioms. So let's begin. Number 1, babe in arms. Babe in arms means a person who is naive or inexperienced or ignorant to a particular situation or specific situation. For example, although I know dancing, but still doing contemporary made me feel like babe in arms. Number 2, back in the day. Back in the day is a memory of past which is remembered with fondness or nostalgia. For example, back in the day we all used to be a very happy family. Okay, number 3, back to the drawing board. Back to the drawing board means to restart or replan a situation or work or task all over again after the first attempt was unsuccessful or has failed. For example, although I tried really hard this time, but still I was again back to the drawing board. I guess I need to amend my approaches. Number 4, barking dog seldom bites. Barking dog seldom bites means a person who makes them appear threatening hardly do any harm. For example, our professor warned us that if we won't submit the assignment on time, he'll fail all of us. But still, nobody got it done, as everyone knows that barking dogs seldom bite. Okay, now 5th, backhanded compliment. Backhanded compliment means an insult which is disguised as a compliment. For example, he gave her a backhanded compliment saying that sometimes a little makeup can do wonders. Okay, so moving on to the next part. Number 6, backseat driver. Backseat driver means a person who gives unwanted advice or criticism or lectures to a person who is actually doing something. For example, my father is a terrible backseat driver whenever I am at the wheels. Okay, number 7, bad egg. Bad egg means a person who is dishonest or unreliable or has a very poor moral character. Sorry. So, for example, her mother warned her about Sam, as everyone knows that Sam was a bad egg. 8th, bar none. Bar none means with no expectations. For example, she is bar none the most flexible dancer of our college. Number 9, bark up the wrong tree. Bark up the wrong tree means to attempt or pursue a situation, a futile course of action actually. So, for example, thinking that she would help me in that moment was like barking up the wrong tree. Number 10, last but not the least, basket case. Basket case means of someone or something which is no more functioning or unable to function. For example, the government should eradicate corruption or else the country is a basket case. Okay, so that's all today. Stay tuned for more words like this. Bye bye.